Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your who is coming next for you for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes, friends, what's going to happen for you? Who is your next relationship? Even if you are coupled, you can watch this. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Yes, friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Magic Winds Tarot, friends, like and share. It may be a little thing for you, not a big deal to subscribe and like, but it means a lot to us. So, and it improves, it helps you to keep watching also, keep getting the notifications also. So, subscribe, like, and share. You get a chance to win a free reading. Details are in the description box, and join us on Insta as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, friends. Let us see, friends, what's going to happen, who is coming for air signs, and you can also check more Valentine readings. I have done some pick a card readings, messages from your person, what's gonna happen on the Valentine Day, all those pick a card readings. I'll try to link them also in the cards above. So yes, so wow, I want to ask some questions. I'll take the cards once I ask the question. So let's see the theme for how are you currently feeling? Air signs, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, air signs, how are they currently feeling? Their theme energy for air signs. Wow, nice. Temperance. You're feeling very balanced. You're feeling very, very happy, very content with life. Also, you may be feeling like, yeah, life will balance out itself. Life is moving towards better life. Life is going to change. Life is going to get balanced. Seven of Cups. Yeah, you do feel like some things are out of your reach. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Maybe you feel like you don't have many options in love, or the person you want is not choosing you, or like you are single, there is not much choice, but still you have made peace with all these things. All these changes, you have made peace with them. How are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini currently feeling? Yeah, Two of Wands, a very mature outlook. Yes, air signs, you're feeling very mature, even though life is not perfect for you, especially your love life. You feel like you have no choices, or you feel what you want or who you want is out of reach, but you're okay with it. You're okay. You are taking a very mature approach. You are focused on other areas of your life, on building your life, your independence, your money, your education. You're happy. I don't know why I feel like you're balanced, you're feeling happy. There are confusions, but it's not affecting you in a negative way. Wonderful, well done. And it is actually the Aquarius season, so, and it is the Aquarius year also, the century of Aquarius. So congratulations if you are an air sign. Let's see who is coming towards you, air signs. Who is coming towards air sign? Okay, let's see. The Fool, a new start is coming. Okay, someone new, or a reunion is coming towards you. Let's see who is coming. I feel somebody from some long distance, someone who is an animal lover, who is very fond of animals. They might be having a cat or a dog, or they might be a traveler. They might be someone who enjoys traveling, hiking, mountains. They might be living near a mountain. Empress, oh my god. Air signs, someone who is very, very caring, someone who is very giving, someone who wants to marry you, who has deep feelings for you, who is very maternal, nurturing, and very creative. That person is coming towards you. I also feel like, this is like you, air signs, falling in love with yourself also. Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person? A Scorpio, very powerful Scorpio person, someone very good looking, very beautiful. Someone, Nine of Swords, yeah, someone who is very, very fast, very quick. I feel, okay, I'm getting a lot of messages, so let me cover them one by one. I feel the person who is coming towards you may be having anxiety, or they are very high energy person, like. they are, very very high energy, so they keep on tapping their toes or something. This person has a lot of energy. This person can't sit idle for a long, because they are very hyper, not hyper, they are high vibrational, I would say. They have a lot of energy. This person is a traveler. They are sexually very beautiful, very good looking. There is a lot of sexual chemistry between you and them. And I do feel this person is someone you work with, or this person is someone you studied with once. It could also be someone who is living in your neighborhood. So watch out. I feel this person is trying to look at you at your social media. They are trying to find you, figure you out. Who is coming towards you? Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I also feel like this person could be your twin flame who is returning back to you because of the death. I feel like this is a reunion. This is like another time, another start, another try. So this person could be someone you were married once with, or you were married once at. My God, you were married once with, and maybe this person is someone you already knew. You were twin flames. They are coming back. And why? Because they want to have a baby with you. This person wants commitment. They see you as the wife or the husband potential. Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? I feel this person has beautiful eyes who is coming towards you. Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. This person is someone very giving. They are very loyal. This person is also very dependable. They come from a rich family, or they have a lot of success. They are very successful financially, also very stable. Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel the person who is coming towards you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, is they are very traditional, but they are a softie. This person, it tries to act like they are very strong and very bold, but they are actually a sweetheart. This person is actually a sweetheart. Look at them. They have a lot of love for you. And I also feel like you might be having some choice here in your love life. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. There might be two people coming towards you, one younger than you, one elder than you, or your age. I do feel for some of you this is or could be a same-sex relationship, so get ready. Oh, the Three of Wands. Yeah, expansion. This will be a fast moving relationship. There will be a lot of travel. There will be a lot of talks, a lot of passion. You both are very similar, with the Queen of Pentacles and the Empress. It is like, there is a lot of care. There is a lot. You want the same things. You look at life with the same things. And there is a lot of burning passion. You both are trying to control your passions, I feel, in this connection. Three of Wands. This person is very well traveled. They might be living near water, near oceans, or a lake, and or they travel there often. It's their favorite place. Or you are living near water. I feel this is a very open-hearted relationship, a very very beautiful connection, I feel. Tower. Yeah, you may have had met this person in the past, but things didn't work out. Maybe like 12 years back, 10 years, 1 year back, 2 years back, 2 months back. You met them, you had a tower moment, a fight with them, but they want to come back because this person feels so much love for you. They can't get over you. There is so much love between you and them. If you're really single, I think you're not expecting a lover like this, but you are going to meet them quite unexpectedly when you least expect it. When you least expect it, this person is gonna pop into your life, and there will be deep, deep emotions here. I also, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you should note down the signs and dreams you are getting, because you are being guided. You are being guided towards this person. So note down the signs. Who is coming towards Aquarius, Libra, Gemini? Nine of Cups, a wish come true. This person is going to make you feel very happy, and actually you might end up marrying this person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. And also, you might have common friends, or you might build up a strong friendship and love with this person. I also feel like, this person will really spoil you, take you out to dates, and like really give you a lot of gifts, happiness, joy. They are very giving, they are very kind. And look at that, the King of Wands. Oh my God. This could be your divine masculine, your divine feminine. We also have the King and the Queen. We also have the Empress and the King. Very passionate person. Very, very, very passionate person. And you guys are perfect for each other. You want the same things, and it is like a wish coming true for you. You'll be like this beautiful girl. Look at her, how happy she is. Look at her. If only we can get the glare out. Wow, beautiful. She's looking so content and happy. So let's see who is coming to us. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This could be your twin flame. I do feel this is your twin flame, or someone who will marry you. False person, number 8. Wow, this is very similar to the earth signs reading. Also, I feel like, you may be meeting two people, but one of them is true, one of them is not. So you will have some choices, some decisions to make. You will have to figure out which is the right one. You will be meeting two people, or there are two people who want you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Despair, number 32. I also feel maybe this person hurted you in the past, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, but now they are crying for you. They want you back, and they are going to try their level best to win you, because I see like you are protecting yourself from this person. Great fortune, number 26. Yeah, this is a destined connection, friends. This is like someone who is made destined for you, someone who is very fortunate, and they are going to feel like you are their fortune. You, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, are this person's fortune. They are very fortunate to meet you. That is how this person feels. I feel this person could be a royalty. This person could be very rich, or you both are going to come into richness, or you are both going, this is like you guys have a mission, you guys have a purpose here. Something is happening here, like you guys have the same future expectations. So maybe you will do some research together, write some books together, you might study, you might start a family together. So something is happening here. Let's see how this connection, your relationship, will be with this person for Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Find balance, number 2. Two of Pentacles. Friends, it will be a very, very busy connection for both of you, because I feel you both are workaholics. You both are very busy with the other things in life, but you will still take time. It will be a very passionate, very, very quick and energized connection. The passion is on both the sides. You are very connected in this connection. Okay, let's just see balance. Look at that. You are the perfect match for each other, the male, the feminine. What you want, they have. What they want, you have. This is perfect. Look at that. Number 14 is important, and you are destined. It is like the universe is aligning you together. So this is a match. This is a very balancing. That's exactly how you feel right now, very balanced. And if you are not feeling balanced, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, try to be, because this person is coming. And balance, wow, 2 cards of balance. Look, find balance, balance. So this is going to be like you guys are going to balance each other. This will be a very passionate as well as a very soothing connection for you. And teacher, yeah, you guys have a mission. You both might be singers, you both might be musicians, teachers, actors, leaders. This is a spiritual love. This is a spiritual connection. I do feel you might end up getting some pets together, or raising a family, starting a family. OMG. And well-deserved reward. Yes, friends, this is the reward of all your patience, all your hard work, and you deserve it. Completely deserve this, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So let's see what this person wanna say to you, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So I do feel this person will come message you, or call you in the next 9 hours or the next 9 days, or you might meet them in the next 9 months. Time for a nap. Yeah, dreams are very, very important, friends. Dreams, this person is connecting you through dreams, through signs, through divine messages. So keep an eye open. The unit, number 24, 26, 25 is important. 27 also. This person is already talking to you a lot through signs. Time to go, number 45. This person is also telling you that some part, this confusion, you should move out of it. You are ready for them. You are ready for this new love. You are ready for this reunion. If somebody had let you down recently or some connection ended, it's okay. And they are also assuring that they are coming towards you. To the sea, number 7. Yeah, they miss you. Again, see, they live near the sea possibly. They are really missing you and they haven't forgotten you. By the book, 11:11. Yeah, this person is going to date you. They are going to marry you. They are going to be there for you, be there for you both are going to eat with each other forever. It's like friends forever, lovers forever. They want to do things traditionally now. They want to really officially date you. Message in a bottle. They will soon message you. Wow. Official. I think maybe this person earlier knew you, were friends with you, or never officially proposed you. Now they will officially propose you, date you, marry you, have kids with you, have a home with you. And this are going to message you in the next 1 hour or the next 1 week. Let's see some extra messages. What is this person's message for our viewers? Let's see. Wow. Yoko Ono. Yes, yes is always the answer. Love is performance art that takes place among the clouds. Wow. So definitely this person could be an artist, or you could be, or you both are very connected to studies, to science, to art, to music. And love is not a dream. The person is talking about dreams. So something you guys are connected very much with through dreams, signs, messages. Love is not a dream. You can remember it if you want to. So remember your dreams. They are connecting you through your dreams, friends. Write them down. Oh my God, look at that. Leverine Cox. No one is going to have pleasure on your behalf. Go out and claim yours now. So yeah, I think this is the time you should start partying. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Are you staying too much antisocial? Are you too much thinking about your love life? Are you still waiting for the past? Nah. This is a time to go out and party, because this person is guiding you. They are letting you know how they can meet you. Let them love you for who you really are. Embrace those closest to you, so your warmth and power make them strong like you. This is a very powerful connection, believe me, friends. This is your twin flame, or someone very, very even more important than a twin flame. Any love message? Playfulness to recapture romance. Allow your inner youthful spirit of joy, of fun to shine. Yeah, go out and party, friends. Enjoy your life. Don't stay out. Don't say worried or about this world situation, or oh, my past wasn't good. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more attractive. Yeah, that's exactly what this person says. Go and enjoy. Have fun. I'm coming. Free yourself. It's time to take back control. Whew. This person, the more you love yourself, the more they're gonna love you. And the more you subscribe our channel, the more readings you can watch, friends. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.